Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin. If you're new, today I have a really exciting video that I've been wanting to film for the past couple weeks, and that is a huge fall home decor haul. I have different things from At Home, from Amazon, from Marshalls, from TJ Maxx, really just a bunch of different places, and I want to share everything with all of you and then style it at the end of this video and pop an overlay in here so you can see how I'm styling this in my apartment. I also might include a few more things because I am planning on going shopping later this weekend, so I'll also pop those in the video if I end up getting more. But let's just jump right into this week's video. So the first thing that I got, this is literally adorable. I got this at Marshalls, and that is this black pillow. It is so soft with these adorable white ghosts. I have a black and white theme going in our living room in our apartment, and I thought this would be perfect. We have an all white couch, and this is just like the cutest little pop of black and white, and I feel like it just really ties everything in. So like, how could I not get this fun and festive pillow? It's also so soft. Like, I cannot even describe how soft it is. The next thing that I got were two of these gold sparkly mini pumpkins from Target. I plan on switching out my flowers that I currently have on our coffee table and putting these pumpkins in. I'm not sure that I needed two, but I just got them just in case, and they're only $3. They also have like other textured pumpkins if sparkle is not your vibe, but I thought these were fun. This honestly might be my favorite item that I have, and that is this gorgeous wreath. I got it at Home. It was $30, I believe, and I love this. I feel like this kind of goes beyond Halloween, and you can definitely take this into November. I just love the velvet pumpkins, the sparkle, the pine cones, really beautiful, and we'll be putting this wreath on our door. This is another Marshalls find. I thought this was so cute. Sleepy Hollow vacancies. I'm a sucker for this pickup truck. I think it's so cute. I don't have like a super country style, but I feel like I love these like little pickup trucks, whether it's for Christmas or fall. I thought this was so cute, and I'm going to put this like around our TV, and again going off of this black and white theme. I also got this really fun set of Halloween books, Witch's Brew, Potions, and Spooky Spells, and it looks like this on the front. I thought this was kind of a fun pop of color. Again, I'm going to put this around our TV stand, and kind of just like pair these two together, and I think it will be really cute. One thing about me is I didn't want to like overbuy decorations and then have our apartment looking cluttered. So I think I can probably get some more things tonight, but I will continue to show you what I have here. And the next item is this mat from At Home, a little welcome mat. It says, "Hey there, pumpkin," and I feel like this is really cute. Let me just kind of, there we go. Yeah, super cute. And I'm excited to switch out our mat. We currently have one from Target that says, "Hope you brought wine." So I thought this would be a nice touch for the fall. I had to go into my kitchen to get this, but this next item, Nick actually got me for my birthday, and he found it on Amazon. It says pumpkin spice. Super cute. I love the little pumpkin tassel and the fun orange and yellow or orange and white ribbon. And we have some Keurig pods in here. It doesn't hold a whole lot. In fact, it only holds two, but it's just kind of a cute counter decoration for the kitchen, so I like it. And then these last two items I actually bought last year. This I believe is from TJ Maxx, and it's this fun neutral pumpkin with like these subtle gold sparkles. Really pretty. I might put it in here in the bedroom because it matches really well with this whole neutral theme. Another thing about me is like I have to have everything matching. Like I hate whenever colors don't go well together, so yeah, I don't know. I will either stick this in here. I guess I could put it on our coffee table, but we'll see. And then I also have this Happy Fall sign. I got this from Five Below. It was really cheap, and I think it's like really cute. I also want to put this in our kitchen. I think it will add a nice little pop of something cute in the kitchen. And yeah, that is my haul for right now. Now let's go style everything. Okay, you guys, here is the finished setup. I put the little potions books over there. I think that looks really cute. And then I added the Sleepy Hollow ghost thing right there on the top shelf. And I didn't actually take anything away from this. I just kind of added to it. So I feel like I could definitely get something else. You know, if I wanted to put some of these decorations away. Obviously I don't want to put our wedding countdown calendar away. I had that over by the trees, but I just moved it over there to the right so that I could fit everything. And then as far as this table goes, I did not like the gold sparkly pumpkins in the clear container. It just didn't really fit, and I don't know, it was just kind of off with the color scheme. So instead I added the neutral pumpkin there, and I think that looks really good. And then of course we have the ghost pillow over there on the left. I just kind of switched the pillows around. I had the two neutral ones on the left before, and then just the accent pillow on the right, but I separated the two little neutral pillows, one on each side, and then put the ghost pillow over there. So I think that looks really nice too. I feel like I could add like one more festive pillow if I wanted to. And then moving over here to the bar cart, that's actually where I put the little sparkly gold pumpkins from Target. I did them, try to be symmetrical on each side. I don't know if that is, but I feel like it adds a little pizzazz to the bar cart. And then moving over to here is where I put the Happy Fall sign and a few more of the sparkly gold pumpkins. I think I might want to get a tray for this area and put them on that, and I think it will look better. And then also maybe get like another little fall picture, like a pumpkin patch picture or something like that. But that's everything that I have for now. I put up the wreath and the doormat outside as well. I think I am going to go shopping tonight and see. Sorry, my memory got full and I had to delete some clips, but I think I'm going to go shopping tonight and see if I can find anything else to kind of spruce up the apartment, because I'm always such a minimalist. I thought that was going to be like too much decor, but I'm looking around and I'm like, I really think I should buy some more things. So this vlog will be continued if I find anything else. If not, thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.